Welcome back, guys. So it's been a day since our volcano has dried. You can see it, and I kind of shaved it up here a little bit because they're kind of pointy. And now it's time to paint. Now let's do it. Oh yeah. And then I have these rocks here that are from a real volcano. This one's like hard, and this one kind of feels like this one feels like it's plastic, but it's actually not plastic. See, this one makes tiny. This one's loud. It's big and strong. This one's. And now I'm gonna paint. So first, I think I'm gonna do it right here. Paint right there. I'm trying to get a light. So what I'm gonna do is just get this and then mix up some colors in it. So I'm gonna get some yellow.
You just mix it on the volcano. So any colors you're gonna mix in there are gonna.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna use this and then just
Any colors it's gonna mix into is gonna change to one of the colors you already got.
blended. Get everything destroyed, yellow. Yellow is on the second one. This is good yellow. That's bad that. This is good. I'm gonna do some painting here. I can see. Okay. Productive. This is actually really fun. My bad, Red. These rocks actually came from a real volcano, not mine. They came in a little bag. I'm gonna use my bag. Oh, it's not even a yellow anymore. Oh, what was it? It's messy.
You don't get your hair in there.
Yeah, no. You should have put my hair up then. Now I'm going to turn to the side and paint with that yellow and just go in. And I might do a second coat. You'll see. You'll see. Not too bad. Okay, put some right there. That's basically orange now. Practically orange. You guys like the volcano? So far, to me, I think it's so far so good. And smooth. Just paint the top. I'm just gonna paint the whole top. Yep. And you have to color the inside. Just clean it off. Okay. Oops, I just dark red. Freezer red. And just paint in the center. I'm gonna just Of course, it's getting on my coat.
It's looking cool.
Yep. Crazy cool. I'm gonna do another coat so it doesn't get trembly and stuff. Stop it. And so now, at first I was thinking let's put it in here and then so I just put it in water in here and dipping it in. Now I'm gonna get the yellow. But no, what's a sunny yellow? It's like a sunny. Why is it the yellow that I want? It's like goldy yellow. It's not the yellow that I really want. But, oh yeah, it is. It's goldy yellow. And now I'm just going in right here where I'm doing it at, like, oops, just got here. Ooh. So I'm like going in right here and making it like blend into the yellow. I mean, actually I'm just gonna use this yellowish orange color to like blend it in. Blend it in, blend. And I'm gonna go back with the red because I accidentally put my hand right here. And now there's a little splotch right there. I'm gonna pour some water in this one because it doesn't really have it. Not at all, it doesn't really have any more paint left. So I'm just gonna make some more. Make some paint, make some paint. Oh. Is it? That's shiny paint. That is shiny.
It's dry.
Yeah. I wonder if yeah, I'm just gonna go back. What's this color in there?
You might want to start working on the sides you haven't painted yet.
What?
So you might want to work on the sides you haven't painted yet.
Why?
Before you run out of paint.
What?
Before you run out of paint.
I'm only running out of 2. Jeez, bro. Are you 2? Get it? Are you 2 getting out of paint? Are you 2? Because you know how I'm getting out of paint. I'm getting out of paint too. Get it? And at first I thought this was a little brusher for when you like kind of just go off with the paint and like figure out. There it is. Okay. This way. Slide it. They're basically 2 ones. Slightly go in the middle right here, slightly do it. So now go back and with not a second coat, just going back in this color. I'm gonna pour some water in this one, because this one, I'm just like pouring water in these ones so they can actually have more paint. Going in, and okay. Just like go in with this watery splotch. No, it's not splotchy. Oh, I see a splotchy splotch. It's blood. Oh. Shake it off. Keep it back. Again. And then this other good red, it's like a sunnyish red.
It's like yellow to me.
Yeah, but when you see it, like up close, it's like kind of orangey. But it's like a good color. It's pretty good. I see. I'm going with a red. Never use a red a lot. Actually, I have a good idea. Make this red, this red watery. Because it gets better when you just put water. It gets more shiny. Because I want like a shine. And something shiny. And then I go back in with a real red. That's the better part. Even though both my reds just there have water. But if I go back in with the other red, like, 'cause I'm almost done. All I need to do now is the bottom. And then go back in. This, and then use this color. And go with this orangey slide color. Check on open to run out. And then go back in with the sunny color, and then just make it yellow. I do not want this color to get back the yellow. Because I'm going back in with all these colors and doing a slide. So now we've done my first coat, and I'm gonna do another coat after my dad does this video. I'm gonna do like another coat to make it not so splotchy and stuff. And so you guys should check out part 3 where I do the volcano explosion. So bye guys.